Hello everyone, I'm Chris, the White Thunder Dev. At this moment, I show you a small word search. It is developed with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I used Google Fonts for the font you're seeing right now. You may be wondering, how does this word search work? Basically, we have the letters completely disable with a flashing Start Game button. Below the button are the words that we must find in this minigame. We click on the Start Game button. As you can see, the letters have their animation when we hover over them. Look the behavior of the letters when we click on them. The letters change to white. The box shadow remains the same when we hover over them. Let's find one of the words to see what happens in this minigame. Great! This is the first word. The HTML logo changed to its symbolic orange color. The letters that make up the word HTML changed color too, and we cannot click on them because the word is complete. If you notice, the count of the words left to find has decreased. This count changes color depending on the number of words. Let's find more words to see how the counting behaves. Here's the CSS word. There are 6 words missing. Here's the JavaScript word. There are 5 words missing. Did you see? The count has changed color because there are 4 more words to find. We have found 6 words. The count changes color again. This means that we have a considerable number of words. Ready! These are the 8 words hidden of this word search. Now we cannot click on any letter and the Reset Game button is available. Let's open the inspector to show you one more thing. As you can see, this minigame is responsive. Let's try it in mobile view. Excellent! The mobile view works very well. Let's reset. Okay people, this is the word search minigame I wanted to show you. The next video will begin the development of this minigame. Don't miss it and see you soon!